So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Introduction to Machine Learning, week 2nd, assignment 2nd. So the first question is, in building a linear regression model for a particular data set, you observe the coefficient of one of the features having a relatively high negative value. This suggests that, so these are the options, and the answer for our first question is C. It is not possible to comment on the importance of these features without additional information. And now let's go to our question number 2. We have seen methods like ridge and lasso to reduce variance among the coefficient. We can use these methods to do feature selection also. Which one of them is more appropriate? Ridge, lasso. So the answer for our second question is B, lasso. And now let's go to our question number 3. Given a set of n data points, the best least square if fit f of x is obtained by minimization of, so these are the option, and the answer for our third question is C. And now let's go to our question number 4. During linear regression with regards to residuals, which among the following is true? So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is A, lower is better. And now let's go to our question number 5. In the lecture on multivariate regressions, you learn about using orthogonalization iteratively to obtain regression coefficient. This method is generally referred to as multiple regression using successive orthogonalization. In the formulation of the method, we observed that in iteration k, we regress the entire dataset on z0, z1 and so on zk minus 1. It seems like a waste of computation to recompute the coefficient for z0, a total of p times z1, a total of p minus 1 time, and so on. Can we reuse the coefficients compute in iteration j for iteration j plus 1 for j z j minus 1? So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is B. And now let's go to our question number 6. You decide to reduce the dimensionality of your data and entropy using best subset selection. The library you are using has a function regress x comma y that takes in x and y and regresses y on x. What is the expected number of time regress will be called during your dimensionality reduction? So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is B. And now let's go to our question number 7. If the number of features is larger than the number of training data points, to identify a suitable subset of the features for use with linear regression, we would prefer. So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is A, forward stepwise selection. And now let's go to our question number 8. Assume you have a 5-dimensional input data for a 3-class classification problem. Further assume that all 5 dimensions of the input are independent to each other. In this scenario, is it possible for linear regression using lasso to result in one or more coefficients to become 0? Yes or no? So the answer of our eighth question is yes. And now let's go to our question number 9. You are given the following 5 3-dimensional training data instances along with 1-dimensional output. So these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is C, 3.5. And now let's go to our question number 10. For the dataset given in the previous question, what will be the predicted y value corresponding to the query point? X1 is equal to 5, x2 is equal to 3, x3 is equal to 4, for k is equal to 3. So these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is C. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.